All right, so we will be solving by elimination with multiplication. Okay, so you have an example that looks something like this, where none of your coefficients are the same. So in this case, we're going to pick either to eliminate x or y. So in this case, we're going to get rid of the, I think we're going to get rid of x. So basically, you just multiply the coefficients. So on the top, I'm going to multiply everything by 9. And then on the bottom, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. I'm going to distribute, and even this side gets 9 and this side gets 2. So then this becomes 18x minus 27y equals 153. And then 18x plus 10y equals negative 42. Okay, and now we have the situation of just either adding or subtracting. Our coefficients for the x's are the same. So if I were to subtract 18 minus 18, that would give me 0, and that would be eliminating the x variable. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm subtracting everything here. So those cancel. Negative 27 minus 10 is negative 37y. That equals 153 minus negative 42 is 111. And then my last step here, guys, is just to divide on both sides by negative 37. And I get y equals negative 3. Okay, so now it's just the same, but the only difference here is I have to plug this into one of the original equations. So I'm going to plug it into equation 2, just because everything is positive. I don't want to deal with any negatives, just in case I mess up with my negatives. So I'm going to substitute this in here, times negative 3. And this is my original equation 2. So I get 9x minus 15 equals 21. I'm going to add on both sides. 9x equals 36. X equals positive 4. Okay, so then your last step would then be to, so the solution before, negative 3. That's my solution. Okay. And then I need to check my work here, so I'm going to plug everything back into the original to check. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus negative 9. Keep change, that's positive 17. 9 times 4 is 36 plus negative 15, that gives me 21. So that is correct. Okay, so let's do one more. See if you can follow along. I'll give you some time. Let's see. All right, so example 2. Let's see. We're gonna do 9x plus 8y equals negative 1. And equation 2 is negative 4x plus 3y equals positive 7. So I can do any of these. So why don't you guys pause the video and see if you can figure out which one. Doesn't really matter which one you want to eliminate, either x or y. I think I'm going to eliminate my x's. Alright, so we are going to eliminate our x's by multiplying the top by negative 4 and positive 9. So then I get, Oh, I lied. Let's just keep it positive because then we can just add in the end. It'll be really easy, you'll see. So I get 36 plus, x plus 32y equals negative 4. That's equation 1. And then negative 36 plus 27y equals 63. Okay, now, see why I said that we were going to leave this as positive? Even though that's negative, I'm going to leave it positive because now it sets me up nicely so that I can just add. Now I can add, right? So if I add positive 36 and negative 36, I get 0. And now I can just add these. So 32 plus 27 gives me 59y equals 59. Look at that. So simple. So y equals 1. 1. And then I take y and I substitute it into one of the original equations. I'm probably going to put it in here just because it's easier multiplication. So negative 4x plus 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract. So then my solution is negative 1, 1. And as always, you should check this into your equations, into your systems to see if it is correct. All right, guys. There it is. Hope this helps.